Right. So this is a rate or APR calculation. This is problem 21 from Chapter 4 of CFIN7. The investment Danny purchased for $7,500 8 years ago is currently worth $11,081. If interest is compounded annually, what annual rate of return did Danny earn on her investment? So 8 years ago, so 8 in. So we're going to calculate our rate. Our present value is 7,500. We'll enter that as a negative. It won't work if you don't. There aren't any payments. If you don't enter that as a negative, it won't work. So and then 8,081. And that we use the rate function equals rate. So number of periods, the payment, present value, future value. So that's looks like 5%. So she did earn a 5% rate on her investment for the past 8 years.